While installing a replacement alternator into your StairMaster unit, it is important to note that the physical location of the connectors as well as the markings may have changed from the alternator being replaced. 4 wires come from the power relay board and go to the alternator: black, brown, white, and blue. Attach the blue wire to the terminal marked AC tap. Attach the white wire to the terminal marked POS. Attach the brown wire to the terminal marked FLD. Attach the black wire to the terminal marked NEG.